Hello, my name is Harald and I'm here with Joe. In our last episode, we have talked about SDV and continuous software updates. Now we will speak about DevOps. So we see in IT, DevOps is really established. Like Amazon, Microsoft, all the big players, they're doing that by heart. Why is now really important for automotive?
So DevOps, or let's maybe be more concrete, CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and DevOps are best practices that are applied in modern software development. CI/CD really focuses on a consistent tool chain to be able to constantly deploy code changes into software. And DevOps really tries to break up silos between the development and the operations to bringing these together to be faster in the end in software development and delivery. And today in the morning, I asked ChatGPT about deliveries at Amazon. And she told me that Amazon delivers thousands of updates of new code into their platform every day.
Wow.
So, but maybe that's not necessary for the automotive industry.
That's really much. Yeah. And the second question I'm thinking about is that we say dev, so development, and ops, operations. Do we always operate in a consumer fleet with the real consumer inside of the vehicle, or is it something different?
I think this is not realistic and maybe also too dangerous with new software functions. But the good thing is, for operations, we have a lot of different possibilities. And in the end, we have to decide if we only use simulation, for example, or if we go to test beds, or maybe to the real fleet or a prototype fleet. So there are many possibilities there. It's not easy to decide where to go. Maybe it's also depending on the criticality, for example, of a specific software function.
So it needs a certain test strategy at the end.
Yes.
Okay, so we will talk about security in our next episode because this also maybe adds something to DevOps. See you there.